Hello and welcome to another Data Popcorn session. My name is Maja Spanic Kezan and today I want to show you how to put grand total on the top in native Power BI table. By default, totals are situated on the bottom of Power BI native tables, and we wanted to move it on the top for greater visibility, especially needed in real-time scenarios with larger tables. So how to do that? Let's check in Power BI.
So we have the product and we have the revenue. Let's switch to the table and see that the total is on the bottom. And the total, we can have the formatting, text and background switch on and off, but that's it. We could not position where we want to put it with the native table. So let's move to the matrix, and there we can add just a tick with the total on the top and see that we have the total on the top and the bottom, and row subtotal we can have per row level in the matrix options, and we can have switch off from the total level and keep off on the product level. But if we switch back to the table, we saw that this is two columns and we need to have another workaround trick. So we will remove total, remove product and use the attribute, which is the union of grand total and the values of the dimension of the product. Let's put here and see that revenue now is total because it is disconnected table. Let's check disconnected table with our source data, and we need to have this revenue display also a little bit workaround. And here it is, display attribute. If it's the attribute is grand total, use the revenue. Otherwise, calculate revenue based on the table function. Tweet us, connect this disconnected attributes to our source data. And here it is, our data set in place. We can remove total from the bottom and conditional format a little bit, so we can conditional format background based on the rules, based on our attribute. If it's grand total, give me background, and we will use the same for the font color. If its attribute is grand total, let's put in the white, and we can do the same with the display attribute. Conditional format practice. So if we have the rules, attribute, grand total, use the different background, and for the font, use the white text, and here it is.
So you saw how we can put grand total on the top with a little bit of workaround and formatting. Hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching and bye bye.